Tired of feeling like your financial life is an open book every time you use PayPal? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into how to buy privacy with PayPal, reclaiming control over your data. One transaction at a time. Let's get started. First, consider pseudonymization. Create a dedicated email address solely for your PayPal account. This helps separate your PayPal activity from your primary email, limiting exposure. Next, think carefully about the name and address you use. All PayPal requires verification. Using slight variations or initials can add a layer of obfuscation. For example, instead of John Smith, try J. Smith. Masking your financial information is crucial. Instead of linking your primary bank account, consider using a prepaid debit card or a virtual credit card specifically for online transactions. Top it up only when needed. Explore privacy-focused payment strategies where possible. Opt for alternative payment methods like cryptocurrency or gift cards to minimize your direct connection to PayPal. Regularly review and adjust your PayPal privacy settings. Limit the information you share with third parties and control the visibility of your profile. Remember, no method is foolproof, but these steps significantly enhance your privacy. While using PayPal, it's all about layering protections. Take control of your digital footprint. Subscribe for more tips on online security and privacy. Thanks for watching.